Namaskara. This is my first attempt to make a short video. Let me see how good I am with this short video. Okay, so in this video we have comparisons. How do we do comparisons in Kannada? That's basically what this video is all about. Let's look at it. So comparisons, there are three types: equative, comparative, and superlative. I'll jump directly to the sentence example so that you'll be able to pick it up. ನಿನ್ನಷ್ಟು ನಾನು ಶ್ರೀಮಂತನು ಅಲ್ಲ. I'm not as rich as you. Ashtu is used for equative. This is called equative because you're doing as rich as good as. So ನಿನ್ನಷ್ಟು. ನನಗಿಂತ ನೀನು ಶ್ರೀಮಂತನು. You are richer than me. So this is comparative because you are putting one person higher than the other, literally using this than. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗಿಂತ ನೀನು ಶ್ರೀಮಂತನು. You are the richest of all. This is superlative. Okay, so these are the suffixes used to achieve equative, comparative, and superlative. Ashtu, ginta, ginta. I'll explain more about this in the next slides. So equative compares one with other. So you can compare one as greater than other, lesser than other, or equal as other. Okay, that is the thing about equative. Comparative says one is greater than other or lesser than other for sure. Okay, whereas equative can even make two people equal. That's the advantage of equative. Okay, so equative can do equal. It can tell that one is greater than the other, and it can also tell one is lesser than the other. Whereas comparative will only say greater or lesser. It will never say equal. Superlative is it'll just say what is the greatest or what is the least. That's superlative. Okay, so naiginta huli ettaradu. Ettara is tall, right? Tiger is taller than dog. ಹುಲಿಗಿಂತ ಕುದುರೆ ಎತ್ತರದು. Horse is taller than tiger. ಕುದುರೆಗಿಂತ ಒಂಟೆ ಎತ್ತರದು. Camel is taller than horse. ಒಂಟೆಗಿಂತ ಆನೆ ಎತ್ತರದು. Right? Elephant is taller than camel. Right? So ettara you can use, or udda you can also use, but udda is used more for length. So here ettaradu is a much better option for tall. Okay, so this is your ginta, which is comparative. Let's go. Okay, next one. ಕುದುರೆಯಷ್ಟು ಆನೆ ಬೇಗನೆ ಓಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Right? Elephant does not run as fast as the horse. ಕುದುರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು. So how do you get this? ಕುದುರೆಯಷ್ಟು. So kudure plus ashtu is kudireyashtu. Ya comes in between. Kudure plus ashtu. So take the noun, right? Whichever noun you want to take, add ashtu to it. Then the remaining words will fall in place, whatever you want to say. For example, kudure ashtu aane begane ododilla, or kudure. So you the one that you want to what you call tell as better or faster. There you add this ashtu, right? So the ashtu gets added to that animal that runs faster. Then you say ಕುದುರೆಯಷ್ಟು ಆನೆ ಬೇಗನೆ ಓಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Elephant does not run as fast as the horse is what you are saying here. Okay, ಅವನಷ್ಟು ನಾನು ಅವನಷ್ಟು ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಶಕ್ತಿವಂತ. So here you are equating. I am as strong as him. So avanashtu nanu kuda, I also, right? Shaktivanta, I am strong, as strong as him. This is equative. So ashtu can be added to any noun and you can compare it with the another noun to make it equal, greater, or small, depending upon the other words that you use. For example, suryanashtu ಬೆಳಕಿಗೆ ಹೊಳಪು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹೊಳಪು means brightness. ಸೂರ್ಯನಷ್ಟು ಬೆಳಕಿಗೆ, ಬೆಳಕು means lamp. ಬೆಳಕಿಗೆ ಹೊಳಪು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹೊಳಪು is brightness. Lamp is not as bright as the sun. Then ಅವಳಷ್ಟು ನಾನು ಕೆಟ್ಟವಳು. ನಿನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? Do you know I am as bad as her? ಅವಳಷ್ಟು ನಾನು ಕೆಟ್ಟವಳು. I am as bad as her. Okay. ರಾಮನಷ್ಟು ರಾಜೇಶಿಗೆ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ರಾಜೇಶ್ is not as brave as Rama. ಸೊ ನನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತವನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆಂಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಮೀ? ನನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತವನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಆಸ್ intelligent as me? So this is your ashtu. Okay, examples. Okay, so now let's see how the comparative is put together. So nanaginta, right? So nanaginta is obtained from, sorry, ninaginta. Ninaginta is obtained from ninage plus inta. So ninage is your chaturthi vibhakti of ninu, right? So ninage plus inta ninaginta. Okay, that is how you get your ginta. Ninaginta nanage kashtavada kelsa. My work is more difficult than yours. Wherever you have this more difficult, less or more much easier, there you have to use this ginta. Okay, ಸೀತನಿಗಿಂತ ಗೀತಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ವೀಣೆ ನುಡಿಸುತ್ತಾಳೆ. Geeta plays the veena better than Sita. So ಸೀತನಿಗೆ plus ಇಂತ ಸೀತನಿಗಿಂತ. Okay. Now, one thing that I wanted to say about the Sitana is na is used Ramu Ram. You know that Rama is a ending masculine, so we say Ramana. Okay, Ramanige. The na is added. The pure Kannada uses la for feminine ending. Sitaliginta is how they will say Sita, right? Geetaliginta. But nowadays nobody uses it. That's why I'm also using na for both masculine and feminine. So that's why it's Sitaniginta. Okay, this is more of a spoken Kannada, but written Kannada doesn't use na, it uses la. Sitaliginta, like that. Sitaliginta. Okay, so ಸೀತನಿಗಿಂತ ಗೀತಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ವೀಣೆ ನುಡಿಸಲು ಗೀತಾ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ದ ವೀಣಾ ಬೆಟರ್ ದೆನ್ ಸೀತಾ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ರವಿಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಸಂಬಳ ಸುರೇಶ ದೊರಕುತ್ತಾನೆ. ದೊರಕು, ಪಡೆ, ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಒಬ್ಟೈನ್, okay, or to earn, okay, to acquire. That's called doraku. So Suresh gets more salary than Ravi. Sambala is salary. ಹೆಚ್ಚು sambala means more sambala. Then ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮನಸ್ಸು ನಿನಗೆ. You have the biggest heart of all. Now here you want to use a superlative. So there is no specific word called biggest in Kannada. Okay, so you use ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗಿಂತ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ means for out of everybody. Everybody. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ means everybody. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ means out of everyone. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗಿಂತ. Okay, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗಿಂತ. Then now if you want to say in neuter gender, it's ಎಲ್ಲದು plus ಇಂತ, ಎಲ್ಲದಿಗಿಂತ. Right? ಎಲ್ಲದಿಗಿಂತ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ಇರುವೆ. ಇರುವೆ means ant. Okay, ಚಿಕ್ಕದು is small. Ant is the smallest of all. Okay, so ಎಲ್ಲದಿಗಿಂತ. This is your neuter gender. For other genders, you just use ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗಿಂತ. Okay, so masculine and feminine, it's always ಎಲ್ಲಾರು only. Okay, so ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕೋಪ ರಘುವಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ರಘು gets the most angry of all. ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕೋಪ. Okay, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗಿಂತ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು ನೀನೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀಯಾ. You have done the most good deeds of all. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗಿಂತ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು ನೀನೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀಯಾ. So this is your comparative and superlative. You have to use ginta. Okay, so I think this is the last slide. I wanted to keep this video as short as possible. That is why I'm using only lesser number of slides. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. I hope this equative, comparative and superlative video was useful to you. Please use it and practice it. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.